Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Medina Lake's Thousand Trails in Lake Hills, Texas. So when your campground is named Medina Lake, you kind of think the feature attraction is going to be a lake. Now apparently Medina Lake was once a thriving recreational area, but not so much anymore. Due to the drought, the lake is only at 25% capacity these days. But even though the lake is slowly dying off, there is an abundance of wildlife here. If you love deer, this is the place to go. They are everywhere here. It seems the things to do in the immediate area are to visit the dude ranches and ride horses. Just down the road you can visit San Antonio and see the Alamo and of course the Riverwalk. I didn't do much of anything during my stay here. I stayed here for 4 days and was sick almost the entire time. But I had a nice shady campsite, and what more could you ask for? But I wasn't leaving this resort without a hot tub. I had to do it one time. Now you see this big white house next to the pool. That's actually a historical landmark. It appears the campground used it as a pool hall and game room at one time, but today it's sort of in a state of disrepair. This barn is also very much in disrepair. But don't you love old barns like this? I mean, honestly, it's one of the few things that I think we find more interesting as they're broken and falling apart. So here's the laundromat. Now, one thing I don't love about Thousand Trails is that they're moving in this direction where there's no coin operated machines anymore. They're all going to these apps that you have to download on your phone, or you have to purchase a card and load money onto it. But you know what? That just doesn't matter so much when you have a cozy little porch like this where you can chit chat with other campers. So everybody has their personal preferences. I'm just going to give you the lowdown on this place. Beautiful campground, not a lot to do, not bustling with activity, maybe not a whole bunch to do in the area, although I didn't really get to explore the hills here because I was under the weather. So in a nutshell, for me personally, because I'm a very active person, I would definitely stay here again, but probably as a 4-night stop rather than a 2-week destination. But for someone who wants to sit outside and read every day and be amongst the deer, maybe take some short hikes down the trails here, this would be a great spot to spend a couple weeks. Now this campground is a Thousand Trails property and you can certainly stay here as a non-member. However, I highly encourage you to get the membership if you plan on RVing a lot or full-time even. If you'd like to learn more about the Thousand Trails membership, there's going to be a video that pops up at the end of this one that'll tell you a little bit about it. If you're all ready to sign up, or if you decide to sign up, please go to my description page and click the link. That helps me and it helps my channel grow. Also hit that subscribe button so you know when I'm posting new content. Okay guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels and I'll see you next time.